There is such a big difference between the standard of what the mortgage industry offers compared to what we do. And what we do may not be exactly what you think you want, meaning that as a home buyer, you probably want a low interest rate, good closing costs, and to close on time, and to do what we say we're going to do. This is kind of the expectations that most people have, but that's not all you get with us, as we believe there's so much more that we should do, and what actually is needed by most families getting ready to buy a home. So my goal is to help you in 3 distinct ways. First, before the transaction, which is incredibly important. Next, how we help you during the transaction. And finally, and I think the most important area, is how we're going to add value after the transaction. We strive to be the most valuable team member in every aspect of real estate and real estate finance until you are debt-free. And I'd love to show you how we do this. First of all, for those who have or have had a mortgage, I can almost guess how the process went. You called the lender as you knew you needed a mortgage, and they had you fill out an online application, and you sent in some documents, and then they sent you a pre-approval letter and told you that you were qualified for X amount. How does this sound so far? Pretty accurate? Then you went into contract on a property and they closed your loan, and hopefully they were good with communication, none of the numbers changed, and you closed on time. This is the standard for the industry. Yet, once they closed, how often have you heard from them? And I hesitate to ask, do you remember the loan officer's name? Bad on them if you don't. Have they reached out to you to help you navigate changes, new chapters in your life that impact finances or debt? Or to explore how real estate strategies and mortgage management can really have a significant impact on generational wealth? Like, how often does this happen from the bank, the loan officer, or anyone in that organization? Sure, they helped you become a homeowner, but that's just where we start. We commit to helping you become a successful homeowner, and there's a very big difference between the two. And let me share with you how our approach is different from others. Let's start with before the transaction. It's not just about being pre-approved. We'll actually explore strategies that, along with you and your realtor, you can be employed that will help improve the probability of getting your offer accepted, with the goal of protecting you from losing out on the home of your dreams and needing to take more time to look at more homes. Next, we'll explore financing options designed to save you money and help you build wealth over time. These steps are designed to create a level of confidence and certainty in the financing decision that you're getting ready to make. Now, let's shift to the transaction. Here you're going to experience our red carpet treatment. Before the transaction, we had your loan underwritten, approved. So all our underwriting team typically needs to do once you're in contract is review the appraisal. You, your realtor, and the listing agent are all updated weekly. Everyone is kept up with how your loan application is coming along. And because of the processes we have in place, many times this happens very quickly. And actually, looking back on the last 6 months, my team and I have averaged 10 days from the date your offer is accepted to the date that our underwriters have cleared your loan to close. I'm covering this so you have a clear understanding of the difference between just getting a mortgage and experiencing the joy of becoming a homeowner. And finally, let's explore what happens after the transaction. And this is perhaps the most important thing that we'll show you, is from the time that your transaction closes that we're going to show you what our team is really committed to do in every area of real estate and finance in order to help you accomplish your wealth building goals through the leveraged asset that we just helped you buy. These are the reasons why we would love the opportunity to work with you or your friends or family who may be considering refinancing their existing mortgage or maybe thinking about buying a home. Send me a message if you have any questions or you'd like to learn more.